Hi, it's day 18 of Inktober Tangles 2023, and today's tangle is tangle Zutto by Yuko Takamasu. I'm sorry if I misspelled it or mispronounced it. Yeah. I have a piece of paper here just to show you how this tangle, how you would draw this tangle. And I have used it before, but not for a long time. So you start with this string of hearts. And I know that not everybody is good at drawing hearts. So if you want to just take it one heart at a time, that's fine. And then you concentrate on the left part of the hearts and draw an aura line like this. So this is the upper part. And then you want to do the same on the lower part. You're basically drawing just a parallel line to this left part. The next thing you do is draw a line that flows from the top left. And again, it's just an aura line. It becomes a parallel line. And then the next thing you want to do is draw a line like this. That's an aura line again. Right side of the tangle. Okay, this would be another heart. So you can see where I'm going with that. The last two things you would do is draw this again, an aura line. So it starts with this horizontal line from this point of every heart and then becomes a parallel line again. And you end up with this string of hearts that looks like it's made of ribbons that are just curved like this. And of course, when you use shades and highlights, this becomes even nicer. Now I have an issue. I don't know where to put it here in my design. There's actually just one place where I can maybe draw a few of them, and it's here. And I will boldly, I will just be very brave about this and start drawing them and see what happens. And you can see how I'm letting my hearts be imperfect and take the shape that they want to take or can take, because I have limited space. And then I will start with these aura lines. The first one on the left side. Then the next one coming from the top, and the same on the bottom. The third one is the one that goes from here I will leave this like this until I decide what to do with it. And then the last one is and now I see that I did make an oopsie, because this line was supposed to be going along the original line. So I will find a way to just fix that. It's an opportunity. So you see where I missed it. I'm sorry. I showed you very well how to do it. And now I will just add the lines to make it look like it was supposed to be exactly like that. It's not like I can fool you, but that's fine. I also need to find a way to add those lines here and yes, here as well. And now I'm thinking about what else I need here, but I don't think that I need anything else. I left quite a lot of space. I will do the same thing that I did with the ribbon. And I will take my graphic 1 pen to fill the space with ink. So when you observe me drawing like this, I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything, and choosing this kind of a format where you don't draw just one tile a day, it's one Zentangle a day, but you are just building on the design, is really puts you in, or puts me in, a vulnerable place, because it's not like I can just now do an oopsie and okay, I'm just going to do this all over again. No, it doesn't work like that. If I make an oopsie, I just do what I would do if I was drawing at any given day. There's no way to make that oopsie disappear. I'm thinking about this. I think it needs to be black. And yeah, that's it. I will just leave it as it is. And I'm thinking about these spaces and how do I shade it? What do I do with this? It's a very small Zutto in my case, because there's just not more space here to make it bigger. And now I'm thinking about the shades and how I would place them. I think I will place them on this upper right part. So I'm just going to apply them. A little bit of graphite pencil, and then decide if that's fine or if I need more. Because if you are not experienced with a certain Zentangle, you never know. And as I said, I have used it once before, but it was a long time ago. I don't remember even what my drawing looked like, but it's a cute Zentangle. There are many cute Zentangles that I always think I should use them more. Then I forget about them. Well, I'm not sure at this point if this is enough of the shades and highlights, but I think I will leave it like this. And now I have to see what the next day's Zentangle is and whether anything can even fit in this drawing anymore, and see how I will finish this mandala. So thank you for drawing with me today, and I will see you tomorrow.